As the sun begins to set and hunger strikes, opting for healthy evening snacks can be both satisfying and nourishing. The key lies in choosing whole ingredients that not only quench your cravings, but also contribute to your well-being. Imagine a vibrant platter filled with colors, textures, and flavors that make snacking a delightful experience. Start with a classic favorite, hummus paired with an array of fresh vegetables. Picture creamy, garlicky hummus nestled next to crisp carrot sticks, sweet bell pepper strips, and refreshing cucumber slices. The crunch of the vegetables adds a delightful contrast to the smoothness of the hummus. While packed with vitamins and fiber, this snack is bound to keep you full and energized throughout the evening. Next, consider whipping up some air-fried chickpeas. Visualize golden brown chickpeas bursting with flavor, sprinkled with your choice of spices, perhaps a zing of paprika or a hint of garlic powder. This snack is the perfect combination of crunch and protein, making it an ideal choice for satisfying that crispy craving without the guilt. As you pop them into your mouth, the savory goodness will have you reaching for more. If you desire something sweet, a fruit bowl is an excellent option. Envision a colorful assortment of seasonal fruits like juicy berries, sweet mango, and vibrant kiwi, all tossed together with a squeeze of lime for an extra zing. The natural sugars provide a burst of energy without the added calories, creating a light and refreshing snack that satisfies your sweet tooth. For those who prefer a bit of indulgence, try baking some whole grain pita chips. Visualize thin, crispy chips, perfect for dipping in yogurt-based tzatziki. This Mediterranean-inspired snack is not only delicious, but also offers a healthy dose of probiotics and protein, transforming your evening into a mini feast without the excess calories. Finally, don't overlook the power of a simple nut mix. Picture a blend of almonds, walnuts, and pistachios, drizzled lightly with honey and sprinkled with cinnamon. Nuts are packed with healthy fats, keeping your heart happy while providing a steady source of energy. As you savor each bite, you'll notice the delightful combination of crunchy textures and warm spices lingers on your palate,